Buongiorno YouTube, it's Trevor here, Summit or Nothing. Back today in the little front room. I've got another little present from Olight to have a look at, and obviously they always share when they've got offers and all sorts on. So if you look below in the video description, there will be the details of their sale, and you can use my personal code to get a little bit of discount. So what product have they sent today? It's a Olight Array 2S hand wave controlled triple task headlamp. So it's the first of, they've not sent me a headlamp before. I do like my little USB headlamp that I use, so if this is more powerful, which it should be, 1000 lumens, then this might replace it. These are ideal for illuminating everything when you're out on the tour. I mean, their little torches are brilliant. I like as many lumens as I can for filming, so if you're a YouTuber and you're doing wild camping, these would make a great purchase. And at the moment, using my discount and that, you can get them a little bit cheaper. So without further ado, let's have a look in the box. Okay, so I love the packaging of the Olight stuff. It just seems really decent, you know. A lot of thought goes into their packaging. Let's have a read of some of the specs. Features: flood and spotlight, floodlight, eye care in red light and SOS, providing 10 different settings in total. The memory function allows quick access to previously used settings. With USB-C rechargeable battery pack, it delivers up to 1000 lumens and a maximum runtime of 30 hours. Switch modes and brightness by using the side switch or simply waving your hand. The light can be tilted 60 degrees to aim exactly where you need it. Elastic and sweat-proof headband for comfortable all-day wearing, and separately placed battery for balance of weight. Red indicator on the battery pack calls attention to the wearer from pedestrians and drivers. So a variety of settings as always. Let's get in. Oh, very smart. So nice little casing to keep it in. Booklet, instructions, how to charge, what have you. So here it is. There's your USB lead for charging. What are these? Some sort of clips. Is that to keep cables back? I don't know. And here it is. So yeah, much like the one I use, it's got the battery pack on the back and then the lamp to the front. It feels quite solid, little bit of kit, hefty. Oh, it's got some light in it at the moment. It's quite easy. You've got a little tag here that you pull down and your USB charger will plug into that. Fits over the head. Needs tightening. Obviously it's all adjustable like that. Oh yeah, and that's the tilt, so that's upside down. There's an up and a down. Put it on and you can tilt that so you can just shine it down. It probably won't stay on because it needs fully charging, but there you go, you can see, and that's fetching. Feels quite light on it, to be honest. So the winter discount promotion runs from the 26th through to the 29th of December, including both of those days. You can use the discount code SUMMIT10 and you'll get a discount. And yeah, there's a few things on offer on there. If you have a look in the details below, it'll fill you in. But now, obviously, this is Christmas, so I haven't got time to sort of get out and sort this out. It's only just arrived, and I've got to get this promotion out to you. So I will look forward to testing this out. If it's like any of the other stuff that I've had off of Olight, I've never had an issue with any of it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having another little headlamp. It'll come in handy. So thanks ever so much for watching. Merry Christmas to you all, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers!